Hello, boys and girls. This is Mr. Berkey here again. I wanted to see if I could help clear up some things based on the pacing guide and the way the modules are set up. So if you go to the side on the left, your main pages that you need to focus most on are the home page, which includes all of these links, and this week at a glance, which is the breakdown of every day and every assignment that should be finished and completed in that day. But remember, it's just a suggested pacing guide, so if you wanted to like fit a couple days into one day, that's up to you. But this is a suggested pacing guide. Okay, so we're going to go back up to Learn, which also takes us to the modules. Okay, so this is week 1, broken into science, math, ELA, reading, social studies. Okay, when you look, I'm going to put these next side by side. Okay, so we're looking at week 1. So yesterday on Tuesday for science, over here, science, you should have had the module 5 pretest completed, which is this link. So you would have selected this link and it would have brought you to this pretest that you would have hit preview to complete. Okay, we're going to go back. So that was science. That was the only thing you were expected to do yesterday. Okay, for math, lesson 1 and problem set. You go to lesson 1, you look at the concept development video. Also, it correlates very well with the Zearn lesson. So if you don't want to watch the video and you want to do the Zearn lessons, they are a great resource that really breaks it down and gets your mind moving instead of just watching a video the whole time. Okay, problem sets. Okay, it says math lesson 1 and problem set. Problem set you should be completing in the book that was sent home with you. You could print it out if you want to print it out. You can record a video. You could write it in just regular lined paper. Like you could look at the PDF file on the computer and then copy the problems on the lined paper and take a picture of that, take a picture of the problem set, or you can type it in a Word document on the computer as long as you are making sure you show as much work as you can by typing in numbers, sentences, statements, any work that you use to solve a problem. Okay, and all this is right here for you. Make sure it's all submitted in the right spots though. So if it's problem set 1, it needs to be in problem set 1 here. If it's problem set 2, it needs to be here. And as well as the problem sets are all located in the blue and green Learn books for module 6. Okay. Going to ELA. Over here, here's the school pacing guide, ELA, main topic and key details, trip to Plymouth, Massachusetts text. That's what you should be clicking on, is the main topic and key details, trip to Plymouth, Massachusetts, and then the assignment located right underneath. Again, you could write your responses in a journal, you could print it out, whatever you need to do in order to get this assignment submitted and completed. Then go to reading, just reading 30 minutes a day. Make sure the reading log is complete each week. Okay, there's no social studies yet for Tuesday. And we go to Wednesday, okay, which is today. Go back up. For Wednesday, you should have the Earth Explorer text and quiz right here, completed. Okay, this is what you're doing today. These 2 links. You move on, ELA, main topic and key details, trip to Plymouth, Massachusetts quiz, which is located right. I just skipped math, but that's okay. But the quiz is right here. Okay. Then you go to math. Right. Oh, no math for Wednesday. But there is social studies today, and it is I am historian text. So you're just reading the text today. Okay, this pacing guide, I would suggest and highly, highly recommend at least printing this out and checking off each thing that is completed so that you know what has been submitted and what you need to finish for each week. You could take a screenshot of it, you could take a picture with your phone, but this is going to be the best bet to break down this. Okay? I really hope this helps anybody who had those questions about how this website is set up. If you have any more questions, please feel free to send us Google Voice text, Dojo messages, whatever you need to communicate your any more questions that you might have. All right. Well, thank you and happy Wednesday.